Welcome to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience about Quora. So actually, my answer get 800,000 views on Quora one time. Of course, I started answering question on Quora about 2 years ago, in maybe 3 years ago, in 2017. So I answer a lot of questions about video editing and filming and software and screen recording software, and so actually the result is very good. So Quora is a good platform to share your answers, share your knowledge, to get more views on the answer, to get more view and to attract more visitors to your website, to your YouTube channel. So talking about this platform, I think it's a good platform because we have a free place to share our knowledge and share our answer, and also ask questions about things we don't know. And there's also something I don't know. I don't lie about that, because firstly, it's the spam policy or something like that. Whenever we answer, it is very easy to be deleted by Quora moderation, because they think it's a spam. And I got it all the time when answering question, because normally people ask the same question all the time and we answer the same question, and Quora say that, oh, your answer is spam, so they just delete it. And once I have to contact the support team to restore my answer. So it's all the time. But there's some tips about answering question on Quora. So my personal tip is that firstly, I go to Google and search the question I asked, and see what is the top topic on this platform, that Quora, on the first page of Google, and then I jump to that question and answer. So that's very simple, right? And that trick worked very well with me. So I got my most view answer is about free video editor without watermark. So there's a people asking, is there a free watermark, no watermark video editor that we can find on this platform? Of course, this is a free platform, so there are so many people using it to drive traffic to their website and their YouTube channel. So it's a little bit competitive. So you have to spend more time on answering the question on Quora. So in order to go to Quora, it is very simple. All you need is your Google, your email. All you need is your email address, and you register an account on Quora.com, and then you can go to that and just answer, and then Quora will push more questions to you. Make sure that you turn on the notification in your email address, and you get the question, and then if you know the answer, you can answer. So write longer. I think in my opinion, in my experience, I think write longer answer, give more valuable content to the answer, then your answer will get higher rank in Quora. So that's just it. So I hope you enjoy today's tutorial, today's video. It's not a big deal about how to use Quora, because there are so many other tutorial on YouTube about how to use Quora, how to find answer, how to find question about, and how to rank higher in Quora. I'm not the one. I'm not an expert in Quora. I just go there and answer and give them my opinion about software, about video editing. So luckily, it got good result. Yeah, 800,000. views all time. So normally in 1 month about 20,000 view per month, and it's driving good traffic to my website. So talking about website, I have a website which I wrote about e-learning software, video editing software, and screencasting software. It's called elearningsupporter.com. And I have another website for publishing my discount coupon code. It's jackydeals.com, and some other software like a satellite website, Jacky software, and also I have so many websites. So you don't need to create so many websites like me, because I love creating websites. So that's just the main reason for that. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to watch more video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you. The background of the video is terrible because normally I have to be around my kids all the time. So now he's playing around here. So I have to stay here and take care of him. So that's why there's noisy kid talking and playing, and also other crazy stuff. I hope you don't mind about that. Okay. Yeah. Bye.